Down by the sea, at the edge of the water, the calming waves kiss my feet.
Hi guys, today I am bringing you along as I work just to show you what a day in my life looks like. Sorry if you can hear those crows outside. I started out my morning by just having some coffee with Jaron before he left for work. He had some breakfast and I just sat and chatted with him. And I worked on editing a video that I filmed yesterday, and I'm hoping to get that up soon, so you might have already seen it by the time this video goes up. But now I am going to head to a coffee shop to get some more work done.
Things are right, and that it will be fine in the end. I step into
I'm headed to a coffee shop in Fremont called Milstead, and I'll work there for a few hours and then head home because I actually have a live stream to do for Patreon at 1 o'clock, so can't spend too long at the coffee shop, but it'll be nice to get out of the apartment for a little while. I'm a little sweaty from that walk. It's been pretty warm here in Seattle. So it's already almost 12:30, so I need to cool off and then make some lunch really quick and just get ready for my live stream. I'm just gonna heat up some leftovers from dinner last night. We had tofu veggie rice bowls, so I am going to have that for lunch. I have set up my phone tripod for the live stream. I'll be drawing on my iPad, so I set up an overhead shot. So that's all ready to go. I actually just recently got this tripod for my live streams and it was super cheap. It's a little bit flimsy, but it does the job. I got it on Amazon if you're wondering. I'll have it linked down below if you want to check that out. So I just finished my live stream and it went really great. I had so much fun just sitting and drawing and hanging out with a few of my patrons. So that was fun. And then as soon as I finished my live stream, I went onto Instagram and Taylor Swift was doing an Instagram live and she announced a new album, her new album that's coming out, and she announced a new single that's coming out tonight, which is just all so exciting. If you guys didn't know, I'm a huge Taylor Swift fan. So I guess I'm staying up until midnight to listen to that new song. This is the drawing that I was working on in my live stream. It's not finished yet, but I'm liking where it's going. And this is actually a draw this in your challenge style that an artist I follow on Instagram started. And here's hers. This is my inspiration. She posted this and started the challenge to draw this, and I just loved this so much that I wanted to try it out myself. So her Instagram is artbyangie.jpg, so definitely go check her out. I just love her art so much and I'm really excited about this challenge. I got quite a bit of my video edited earlier when I was working at the coffee shop, so I think I'm gonna work on it a little bit more right now and maybe try to get it done today. together, at least the basic cut. So what I like to do now is watch through the video and then write a script for the voiceover, and I'll record that and bring that in and edit it with music, and then I'll do whatever final edits I need to on the video, if I need to alter the color or add titles or overlays or anything like that. It's about 4 o'clock now and I'm getting a little bit hungry, so I'm gonna have a small snack just to hold me over until dinner time. I think I'll just have some fruit. Strawberries were on sale at the grocery store the other day, so I got a huge thing of them. Do you want to go for a walk?
I do. Why does this cat like this so much?
I don't know. How was your day?
Very productive. I'm very tired. I feel like that's everybody's answer.
Are you excited for Taylor Swift's new song to come out?
No.
What? Anything that you want to share with my vlog?
No.
What was your favorite part of the day?
My favorite part of the day was running home. Like literally running home.
Anything else?
I didn't eat lunch today, so I can't talk about that. I can't talk about my bike.
Do you want to say goodbye?
Goodbye.
Guess what?
What?
We don't have to wait until midnight to listen to the Taylor Swifts.
Because it's Eastern time?
Yes.
Oh no! That's good.
Want you to be more.